Hello everybody, it's Jen here and I am super excited about this. I was contacted by ArtCreatLove, which it's ArtCreatlove.com, with some goodies, and they gave you a 10% off coupon also. So Jen, Jenn 10 is your 10% off, but you guys have got to see these. I'm really excited because it's a little different. It is a color or a paint by number, and you probably can't see the whole thing, but it is going to be so very nice in my craft room. So first I want to say how much I appreciate that it's not folded. It was rolled, and I'll show you another one here in just a second. And this one says welcome down at the bottom. It has the skull, it has the raven, and some roses in the back. And once painted, it looks like that. So I'm really excited about that. I think it's going to give me a total cool vibe. And then of course here's my color palette, so you can see, and they come all numbered and ready to go. So there is the first one, and it also comes with some paintbrushes and a picture hanger. So we'll get this on a board or a canvas. And look at the three different size brushes, one for big areas. Hang on, let me get it out there. Two different size brushes there. So, and the prices weren't bad, so I'm gonna go back actually and get some betta fish for Madison, because my daughter has betta fish and she loves them, and she's gonna have a room for her betta fish, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back and get the betta fish ones so I can paint them for her, or she can paint them. So I am super excited about this, so I can't wait to paint it. Sometimes I want to paint, but I don't want to think about it, and painting by number is perfect and relaxing. So there is that one. And then to show you how they come in a bag, with bags in the bag. They're rolled up like this with a piece of foam in them. So the other one that I got is a witch with a cat, and it says, in a world full of princesses, be a witch. And the color scheme again is just, I think, right on par for my room. So I can't wait to decorate with these. And here are the colors, so they're really muted, kind of like a dark academia color theme. So I can't wait to start on these guys. So I may not mount them. I may just paint them like this and put them in a poster frame. So I haven't decided yet, but I can't wait to get started. So that may be the determining factor of whether or not I'll frame them or not, or I'll mount them. But yeah. So head on over there. And be sure you use Jen 10 for 10% off, and I'll link everything below so you guys can see all the information that you need. And they have a lot. This is just kind of like my style. They have so many. They have unicorns, they have bright colors, they have everything. This is just what I like. So yeah, I'm gonna paint these up. So let's watch the fast roll.